the line is the Deputy Health Minister, Dr. Utjiua Muinjangue, with an update on COVID-19. A very good afternoon, Doctor.
Good afternoon, and thank you for having me.
Please, you may go ahead.
Yes, thank you very much. I will update the nation on the results of the 16th of July. We announced 1,052 new COVID-19 confirmed cases from 3,375 results, representing 31% positivity ratio. The gender distribution, 603 are females, while 449 are males. Ages range from 1 month to 99 years. The new COVID-19 cases are geographically distributed as follows. Commas, 201 from Windhoek. Erongo, 137. Wolfish Bay, 60. Swakopmund, 57. Usako, 17. And Omaruru, 3. Oshodonjupa, 120. Oshuarongo, 39. Okahanja, 31. Okakarara, 31. And Grootfontein, 19. Kunene, 110. 77 from Osho, 26 Korigas, and 7 from Opuo. Kavango East, 101, 77 from Rundu, 16 Andara, and 8 Nyangana. Oshikoto, 81, 65 from Tsumet, Omusia 15, and Onanjokwe 1. Oshana, 61 from Oshakati. Ohangwena, 54, 42 from Enana, 9 from Okongo, and 3 from Engela. Omusati, 52, 24 from Oshikuku, 13 are from Okahao, 12 from Otapi, and 3 from Sandi. Sambesi, 49 from Katima Mulilo. Hartap, 31, 18 from Riobos, and 13 from Mariental. Kavango West, 23 from Nankutu. Omaheke, 20 from Hopapas. Karas, 12, 6 from Ketmazuot, Luderetz 4, and 2 from Karabel. We are reporting cases from all 14 regions, with Comac region reporting the highest number of cases, accounting for 19% of the confirmed cases, followed by Erongo region with 13%. Among the confirmed cases are 89 learners, 10 teachers, 18 students from different institutions. We are also reporting 32 healthcare workers from different healthcare facilities. Of all the confirmed cases, 19, which is 1.5%, reported to have received 1 dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, of which 3 were fully vaccinated. On a positive note, we have recorded 2,053 new recoveries, and they are as follows per region. Erongo, 1,163. Oshana, 375. Oshodonjupa, 142. Omusati, 133. Kavango East, 129. Kavango West, 64. Kunene, 43, and Karas 3. We now have 22,273 active cases. 565 are hospitalized, of which 114 are in intensive care units. And the hospitalization of confirmed cases per region is as follows. Khomas, 229 with 57 in ICU. Erongo, 70 with 18 in ICU. Oshana, 62 with 14 in ICU. Osholonjupa, 43 and 2 are in ICU. Karas, 29 with 3 in ICU. Omusati, 23. Oshikoto, 18 with 8 in ICU. Harta, 15. Omaheke, 14 with 4 in ICU. Karango East, 28 with 8 in ICU. Ohangwena, 13. Kunene, 13. And Sambesi, 8. On a very sad note, we announced 96 deaths from 19 districts, and I will summarize the deaths as follows. Kopape district recorded the highest number of deaths at 22 deaths, followed by Oshakati district with 20 deaths, Outapi district with 10 deaths, Katima Mulilo and Oshikuku districts with 6 deaths each. Onajokwe, Kruatfontein, and Swakopmund districts with 4 deaths each. Windhoek, Yusakos, and Okahau districts with 3 deaths each. Okakarara, Keetmanshoop, and Engela districts with 2 deaths each. And Tandi, Osho, Andara, Mariental, and Supep districts with 1 death each. Among the reported deaths, 18 occurred in June, 57 occurred between the 1st to the 13th of July, and 21 occurred during the reporting period. A total of 39, which is 41% deaths, were reported as home deaths, with the most home deaths occurring in Kopape's district with 14, and Oshakati district with 10, and Katima Mulilo with 6. Among the reported deaths, 4 cases, which is 4%, were reported to have received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Moving towards conclusion, I will quickly look at the vaccinations with regard to Sinopharm and AstraZeneca. The total number of persons who received the first dose of Sinopharm, the number stands now at 61,687. The total number of people vaccinated with the first doses of AstraZeneca is now 74,013. That brings the total number of people vaccinated with the first doses of Sinopharm and AstraZeneca at 135,700. The summary of the COVID-19 second dose administered, the total number of people who received the second doses of Sinopharm are 28,938, while the total number of people who received the second doses of AstraZeneca are 5,350. That gives us a total of 34,288 people who have been received the second doses of Sinopharm and AstraZeneca. Summary of the national update: the cumulative confirmed cases 111,417. Recoveries 86,666, and that gives us a recovery rate of 78%. Active cases 22,273. Cumulative COVID-19 vaccine first doses administered 135,700. Cumulative COVID-19 vaccine second doses administered 34,288. COVID-19 deaths 2,241. COVID-19 related deaths 226. And that gives us a total number of deaths, which is now 2,467. Total sample tested 585,118. Active contacts 5,896. Cumulative number of people quarantined 65,689. 61,815 people have been discharged from quarantine facilities, and currently we have 3,874 people in quarantine facilities. Finally, we have received 250,000 doses of vaccines yesterday. All eligible persons are encouraged to get vaccinated. Vaccination reduces the chance of infection, disease severity, and death. In addition, let's continue practicing universal infection prevention and control measures and avoid gatherings and unnecessary traveling. And with those words, I would also like to extend our sincere condolences to all the bereaved families. Thank you very much. That concludes the update for today.
All right. Thank you so much, Doctor, for the update.
Thank you.
All right. Well, there you have it. That was the Deputy Health Minister who just gave us an update on the latest statistics and update on COVID-19.